Okay, this is a supplement to the video from this morning, February 1st, 2013. They put the DB3 sound attenuation sheathing on that wall, in addition to the R11 bed insulation, in the wall between the master bedroom and the great room to help soundproof from the TV and whatnot. And it's let me see if I can get back here. It's pretty thick. I guess that's why it does what it does. Almost like a real thick felt or something. And then also in here in the master bathroom, between that and the den, they have it. Don't know if it's going to go all the way down to the floor or not, or even in the toilet room, but in any case, there it is. And the other side, as you can see, is just regular bed insulation.